Good afternoon, friends. Myself Jansai Kishore from Naukar Institute. Today I will teach you English grammar in Standard 12. This is part 11. The name of the topic active passive voice. Last time I explained you all the types of sentence like a simple present, simple past, present continue, present perfect, past perfect, simple modal auxiliary, perfect modal auxiliaries, infinitive. Now this is the last video of active passive voice. Here I will give you all mixed sentence. That means if the sentence is active, then you have to turn passive, or if the sentence is passive, then you have to turn into active. All things comes to in this video. So I hope you will carefully listen and understand this video. The first sentence is having got back the lost money, he felt relieved. So this is a having sentence. So we have to find out the object. So what is object? The lost money. So first of all we have to put object. The lost money having been got back. There is no any subject, so we don't have to put by or subject. Okay, so the lost money having been got back, comma, he felt relieved. Okay, now see the second one. They could have sent the reply in time. They could have. So there is a subject, sent is a verb, and the reply is an object. Now in time, that is other word. So first of all we have to put object. The reply could have been sent in time by them. Okay, friends. So the reply could have been sent in time by them. Now see the third one. The boys are playing a festival match next week. The boy is a subject, playing is a verb, a festival match, that is object, and next week, that is other word. So first of all we have to put object. So a festival match, this is singular, so we have to put is being played next week by the boys. Okay, repeat the sentence. The festival match is being played next week by the boys. Now see the next one. He had heard Ali's voice in the distance. So he is a subject, heard, that is a verb, and Ali's voice, that is object, in the distance, that is other word. So first of all we have to put object. So Ali's voice. Now in this sentence had is given, so along with had we have to put been. So Ali's voice had been heard in the distance by him. Okay, I repeat the sentence. Ali's voice had been heard in the distance by him. Okay, now I'll explain you the next sentence. The next sentence is fifth. What have we been given by the nature? This is a passive voice. Now we have to turn into active. So first of all we have to put what, because that is interrogative sentence. Okay, so what, now subject is the nature, so nature is a singular, so we have to put has. What has the nature? This is a passive voice, we have to turn into active, so we have to put been we have to remove. So what has the nature given to us? Question mark. What has the nature given to us? Okay, friends. Now next one. How many runs have been scored by Sachin? This is also passive and this is also interrogative. So we have to make active and we have to make interrogative. So how many runs, this is a interrogative, and subject is Sachin. So along with Sachin we have to put has. So how many runs has Sachin scored? Into define. How many runs has Sachin scored? Now next, Mr. Shah has been called by the principal just now. This is also passive. So subject is the principal. So first of all you have to put subject. The principal has called Mr. Shah just now. Okay, this is a assertive sentence. So first of all you have to put subject, then this sentence has, so we have to put has been, we have to remove. So the principal has called Mr. Shah just now. Now the next sentence, the servant was arranging the boxes in the shop. Then the servant is a subject, arranging is a verb, the boxes is an object in the shop, then that is a other words. So first of all you have to put object, the boxes, this is a plural, so we have to put where. The boxes were being arranged in the shop then by the servant. Okay, I repeat the sentence. The boxes were being arranged in the shop then by the servant. Okay friends, so here the active passive voice is completed, and the homework I gave you PDF file, so you have to complete all the sentence. I think there is a 130 sentence, and if you have any problem, so you can call me. I will definitely solve your problems. Okay, but you have to try. Okay friends, thank you very much.